What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your Chaartist. Today is 28th Feb 2024, when it's still local time 11:07 a.m. And we have almost 2 hours left for market to close. And AI has its earnings today here after market. And my expectation is that I'm bullish. I am long, and I'm not long from CMP, of course, but I'm long. And my expectation is that it should go to 36. Now, if you want to learn, just watch the video. If you don't want to learn and you just want to trade, I have told you what I'm expecting. Stop loss would be somewhere here. So if you want to learn, you can watch the video. Otherwise, you can just stop and do the trade. Stop loss is right here. Okay, for now. So and target is 36. Okay. So first things first, let's understand. This is pure price action plus RSI. I'll be explaining, and everything will be logical. So we'll go to yearly time frame first of all, and we'll see. I don't have much data here, right? As you can see, it's just what 4 or 5 years to this company. Now let's go further down and see that we can see a demand zone right here, which is completed because this candle is not live anymore. If you want to know more about demand zone, just go and check the video out. It's really important, and you will learn a lot from there. Anyways, there is a demand zone right here, but price is yet to reach here, and I don't know if price will reach there or not. Demand and supply are basically based on imbalances from prices, so that's why I don't know if it's going to reach there. But all I know is that I'm going to go further down and see what's happening here. I do see another demand zone right here, right at the bottom of quarterly. This is all quarterly candles. Okay, that's why they are so few. These are quarterly candles. Now I'm going further down, and I do see that price is actually reacting. It went somewhere here, monthly supply. It's not the greatest of all, but it's, of course, that's why monthly supplies are important. Monthly, quarterly, these are all supply zones which are important. Though price is not going to react from from the base candle, but it tries to go deep and then creates a wick or selling pressure, and then it goes down because pending orders are right somewhere in the sweet spot, right? You don't know. I even I don't know, to be honest, but we try to figure out a way where we can find that sweetest spot in this whole supply. First of all, this is not the greatest of all supply. This is just a supply. But again, look how price is reacting. From 49, it went and did a low of 23, almost 50%. So a lot of stop losses must have gone, right? Right here. So, but again, understand, there is no trade yet. I'm trying to make you guys understand there is no trade yet here. This black line is EMA 20. Okay, so price is actually under EMA 20. It has tested it multiple times. Now, this, if I do consider this as a supply zone, this is also tested once here from the wick, second time here. Okay, now it's gone. It actually went down after that. Now, when it goes down, when price is coming from monthly supply, it should go into monthly demand. So I don't have a monthly demand other than the one which I have it here. So should I wait for this? No, this is not how it works. So while coming down, it has made another supply. If you can see, it's not very poor supply it's doing. It's making price action is very crappy. But now what is happening here is market is live, by the way. It's here, it's on. Okay, so that's why you will see fluctuation in prices. Now, this is a very poor structure. It's not, it's just a hindrance. It's gonna just do a 15-20% move because it's a monthly supply. Anyways, when it comes down, it makes this poor structure. This is very, very poor. But again, look at this. Price goes in this candle, boom, it comes here. But it was also tested. I'm just trying to make sure that you understand that it's all tested. By tested, I mean whenever a supply or demand is tested, it means that it has lost its strength. So basically, pending orders from this supply were picked. That's why those pending orders, pending selling orders were triggered, and that's why price went down. Now, this is very poor supply. But look at this. This was tested from here, you can say that, right? And right away, and then again it was tested here, and look at the reaction. It just was at 34 almost, and then it did a low of 23. So $10-12 move. It's normal, it's very normal. If you're doing options, you'll get stuck. Anyways, now this is how price works. So price will go and test supply, pick up the selling pending orders. If it has to go up, then it will pick up selling orders and then make that zone weaker. And it's not a very good zone as well, trust me. Now, when it comes down from here, I'm just trying to make you guys understand that, ultimately, initially it was reacting from this guy. Okay, now this is tested, means it has lost its strength. It should have come here, it didn't, it never came here, but instead new buying was done right here. Institution must have felt that, okay, this is a fair price, let's buy it here. Now if you zoom in, you will see when it came down, no trades yet, no trades. We have to wait. Look at this, how long have we been waiting? 20, look at the bottom, May 1st 2023, and it's 24 now. This is how price consolidates. Now, when it came down, it made a demand zone right here, very poor, no trade yet. But when it goes up, it goes up. Look here, so it must be testing weekly structure. This is a very, very poor, again, it's not making good demand and supply. Not, look here, this is a very poor structure. So what happens here is, it goes in this monthly candle and then it comes down into this demand. Okay, this is monthly, look here, this is monthly chart, and this works. Okay, this is the first time I noticed it's working. Now, when it came down, it made a supply also here, very poor supply, very poor demand. But again, this is working. This actually worked, and that's why we got the trigger from here. And now, if we go inside this, I'm talking about this. I'm going to turn on the drawings anyways. So I have marked this here. Look at this red box. So this is your supply. Okay. Now it's testing this supply currently. So should we be conservative? Again, it depends on the trader. I'm trying to make you understand it will depend on the trader. Now I will go on weekly and look here. Nothing of quality. I cannot see any quality. I cannot see any quality zone here. It's all crap. Okay. This is all crappy price action. Now this is the supply. Look at this wick from 34 till 28, and this is the breakdown from 34 till whatever here. This is the breakdown of this monthly supply, very poor. On the other hand, when it goes, look here, when it goes from this poor monthly demand, goes up and hits this candle right here properly. I was not expecting a reaction from here on the downside, but it did reacted. Maybe selling orders were too strong. So it reacted and this demand worked. I said this demand, monthly demand worked. Now, while coming down, it also did it's so easy. It's looking like so easy that it came down, then it got up, and then it came down again. It's so easy. No, it took 2 months, and a lot of people must have lost money here. So this is consolidation on monthly basis, and this demand work. Now we are testing this supply, but in order for this supply to work, poor supply, both are poor, but in order for this supply to work, we should have some quality inside here. So I see no quality here at all on weekly. And this, understand this. These are again very, very poor structures. But one sign which I can notice is that, this poor demand is working. Weekly demand. Poor demand, look here, is working. So again, after reaction from monthly, this supply I'm talking about, this supply, it goes into this demand and this demand works. And on top of that, weekly demands are working now. This is working. This is working. This is a separate one. Okay. It's not a part of this demand. It started reacting. It did a demand zone here, weekly demand here. And it, when price came here also, probably last week, it worked. Okay. That's why you see a reaction here. So now price is ultimately reacting from the wick. I saw from the wick of quarterly, yeah, look here, or half yearly. Okay, half yearly. So price is actually reacting from the wick of half yearly demand zone. Okay, half yearly I'm talking about. So there are pending orders, that is why price is reacting. Okay, now monthly demand and supply are very poor, and demand has been held. Same thing happened in PLTR, and weekly demands are working now. This is working. This very poor. I cannot even explain these structures, but with practice you understand. This is a quality demand. This is a very, very good demand, but price never came here. Why price never came here? Probably because there was no good supply at the top to push the price down to these levels. That's why. But look here, price is consolidating. If I go on daily, let me turn on the drawings. So I see nothing of quality in the on the daily charts as well. Everything is tested. This is how price, people make trend lines, but you need to understand that price is testing again and again. This is a poor supply. Look at this was tested multiple times, okay? And then this is not even a supply, but again this was the monthly supply where price reacted from. So everything is being tested. I am scared for this level, and this is actually coinciding with the monthly level. This is here. This is what the target is for me right now. Again, this look at this blue line. I am expecting that either price is going to go deeper or is going to stop here. But understand that I see a weekly supply here as well, so I'm going to exit, and then daily is also there. So all supplies are here, and you will get almost what 20%, 25% somewhere there, a move, a green candle. That's what I'm expecting. So we'll have a follow up demand zone here as well, right here at these levels on daily and on weekly. Yeah, I won't see anything on weekly, but definitely I'm expecting that this would be breached if price goes and holds there. But for now, understand that weekly is working, daily is working, and price is reacting from half yearly, wick of half yearly demand zone. So understand this. That's why I'm bullish, and let's see how it goes. But again, if you're trading it, don't wait for price to just don't gamble, don't do options because iv must be high right now. I never checked it, and plus we have momentum support here on daily charts as well. So that's why I'm bullish, and let's see how it goes. If you did like the analysis, if you did understand something, don't forget to follow me. I am here on TradingView, and I'm also available on Twitter, which is now X. Instagram also I'm there, TikTok also I'm there, and YouTube of course. And don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube. And hopefully it does beat the earning. I'm not worried about it beating the earning because stop loss is right here, and I don't care about the news, but I do see some momentum and good price action here. That's why I'm bullish. Anyways, take care. Do not trade options. Have a wonderful trading week ahead. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.